dobry. Welcome to summer in Poland, in north of Poland, here in Gdansk. I know I look tired, guys. It's still recovering from opener. I feel like 60% better than I did before. It's just been really cold. The room has been frozen. It's just kind of one of those days, but a little problem today. I thought I had 2 nights left in the place that I booked, but I got woken up this morning and said that I have 0 nights left in the place that I booked. I tried to extend it. They told me that there's no more space there. So right now what the plan is to try to find a new place. I gotta check in somewhere. I wanna stay here for at least 2 more days, have a really cool adventure with some people tomorrow, I think. So yeah, walking in the rain, trying to find a place to check in. Yeah, welcome to Gdansk. In summer. It's summer.
No?
Still raining like crazy. So I guess the main thing to do is stand in this little overpass, eat some cherries. It's that kind of day. Summer in Poland. Summer in Poland. Yeah, I think today is going to be one of those inside days. 2 hours later, sun is out, people are out. Summertime again. Super confused. And by the way, this is like, opener was about 40 hours ago it finished. My voice is just starting to come back. So podcast crew, if you're wondering why there hasn't been a podcast in a few days, I haven't even had a voice to do it. And I'm just coming back alive, just physically, and I thought it was just me, but I think every single person who was at opener, they have to be feeling some kind of pain. I met with my friend yesterday. We had a great dinner and talk and everything. We were talking about, I was like, how do you feel? And my friend just had bruises everywhere, you know. It was from 7 at night until about 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, for like 4 days in a row. So it was like pretty intense, but I tried to make videos to try to explain, explain the realness of it, but it really was pretty hardcore and full on and almost energy draining because of all the energy of talking to people, meeting people and everything. But feeling better. Just want to let you guys know, so today's vlog is a little bit short, I know, but I'm feeling better. I feel like I'm back almost to 100%. Definitely one of those big behind the scenes days. I didn't do too much, but I knew it. I needed to kind of relax and kind of process everything that's happened the last few days. But I just met up with my friends before they leave to go back. But here in the north of Poland, even though it's freezing cold, it's been an amazing time. Opener was amazing. Back to the vlog, normal style tomorrow. Maybe have some cool adventures and stuff like that going on. But thank you guys for bearing with me and with my voice too from opener. It's just destroyed. But thank you guys so much for bearing with me, and I'll speak to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.